guys, XBA Adventures, Xander Adventures. We are here in Florida. Hey guys, welcome to XBA, Xander and Brian Adventures. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more uploads like this.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be upgrading the RV's locks. I don't know if I told anybody or not, some of you may know, but a few months ago some people broke into the storage bins and they took the water and the septic and the electrical. A little bit of a hit, but I recouped quickly and I'm back at it. I'm installing some more industrious locks. The little locks that came with it were, this one doesn't lock at all. And the one that was here is a little tiny little clip here. They managed to like stick a shim in, it seems, and they kind of slightly warped the thing, but as you can see, the bins are back. They left the rugs, luckily, and so we're back. But you can see these little teeny tiny little metal things. They just don't really hold. Yeah, how about those? I've taped up this little space here with the gasket, and then this will sit here, and then that will give me approximately a solid inch of lock. If that one goes well, then I'm gonna be installing it on both sides. What I've planned is, and I hope my logic is sound, but I've come in 3 inches off of the side, put as minimal holes as possible in the RV. 2 locks with handles. There's the magnet, the little magnet that goes right here and up there that lets it lock up. Yeah, so these little guys do nothing. All right, guys, good news, I've got it installed. I'm gonna trim up those bolts a little bit, but got washers on each end, everything looks good. I've got it in, and now
this upgrade went super well. I installed one of them and realized that I loved it so much I went ahead and installed the other 5. The ones that came with the RV are super weak and you can honestly shim them very easily, and even if you twist them the right way, they'll unlock. Didn't like them, fixed it. As you can see right here, I smashed my thumb, got a little boo-boo. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe because it really keeps us motivated to make more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.